Hi, I'm Ninette. I'm super happy that you found your way to this page. If you've been looking at ways to create an online income, my friend, you are in the right place, and I'm super excited that you are exploring this opportunity. So a little bit about me. I am in my very late 40s. I'll be 50 next year. We've been living in New Zealand for the past 8 years. I'm the mom of a nearly 14-year-old, and we've been living in New Zealand. We absolutely love the lifestyle, but as you can hear by my accent, I'm South African originally, and moving to a country that is 10 times more expensive currency-wise is not a wise move in your late 40s. So over the past 8 years that we've been living here, we've just realized that a single income is not enough. Living cost in New Zealand is really super high, and as a full-time artist, I've been very intentional about stewarding my gift and my talent, but it is really hard to make it as a full-time artist. So I had to start seriously looking at my bank account and realizing that I'm nowhere near where I wanted to be at this point in my life. So in October last year, I took the plunge. Before that, I started watching moms on Instagram sharing about this specific opportunity, and I sat on the sidelines thinking it was a scam, watching them just grow their businesses exponentially and creating a really stable, really healthy income for themselves and their families in quite a short period of time. So number one, I wish I started this earlier. And I want to tell you that if you are completely new to the whole idea of an online business, I want to encourage you to grab hold of this information. The course that will be on the next page explains to you the 4 main core business models that are currently available for online businesses, and those are affiliate marketing, which is the cheapest and easiest way to get started. There is literally zero barrier to entry, so you don't have to be qualified to a certain degree level. You don't have to have a lot of money to start investing in it, and you can promote any products that you're passionate about. So that's the first one, is affiliate marketing. And then the next one is courses. So creating your own courses or promoting other people's courses as an affiliate. And then coaching. So if you have any experience in a certain field that you are able to teach other people, then that'll be super valuable for you. And then the last one is events. So as a full-time artist, I really took hold of the course, and what it teaches you is how to start these business models online, how to get your systems in place, and then once your systems are in place online, how to scale them and how to promote your offers to other people. So just to demystify the whole process of how to make money online, I know that if you are in your 40s or 50s, then like me, you might have been brought up to think that you need to study really hard, you need to have a degree, you need to have a job, and you're basically married to that job for the rest of your life, and that's the only way that you can earn income. So I can relate. That was me as well. My husband is an engineer. He's been an engineer for the past 30 years, and unfortunately, it breaks my heart to see how much time and effort and additional hours he pours into his corporate job, but at the end of the month, the salary is the same. He doesn't get paid overtime. If he's lucky, there'll be a bonus at the end of the year, but we're really living paycheck to paycheck, and there's a cap on what he can earn. So it doesn't matter how hard he works or how many additional hours he puts in a month, our income stays the same. So I was pretty much fed up with that, and I realized that after 3 years of pouring my heart and soul into my art business, I needed to pivot and take another route. So I was researching a lot of opportunities. I took a lot of online courses. I invested a lot of money into things that weren't what they were cut out to be or what they promised to be. But once I discovered this opportunity, honestly, my mind was blown. I saw people getting results really quickly, And I thought, you know what? I've got nothing to lose. I don't have time to waste. So I'm the kind of girl who likes to get things done. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to apply what I learn and see what happens. So now, at the time of recording this video, it's about 8 months later. And I tell you what, my mind is blown. I created my own, so I'm a pewter artist. And so I created some online courses. I started affiliate marketing for the systems that I use in my business every single day. I do some freelancing. And anyway, long story short, I would strongly encourage you to just take a look at the information. Some of it may be completely new to you. If you've been in the online space before, you'll see the opportunity that's in front of you, and I hope and pray that you will grab it with both hands. Also, as a mom of a teenager, I really want to empower my son to have an entrepreneurial mindset. I think in the current financial climate that we're living in, the more you can empower yourself, the more you can expand your skill set, the better. And if you can work from home, why not? If you will have the ability to get time freedom, to spend more time with your family, working from home, being available if the school calls to tell you your child is sick, why not, right? So for me, that was one of the main reasons I grabbed hold of this opportunity. I'm a nature lover. We live in one of the most beautiful places in the world, and I want to be available for that. I want to be available to my family. I want to be available when the school calls and say, hey, your child is sick, please can you come and get him? And I want to be available to my friends as well. So if they have special birthdays and they celebrate during the week, I don't want to be stuck in an office job, living at a glass ceiling kind of rate where I'm constantly frustrated and not living out the purpose and the calling that I know I was created for. So anyway, my friend, I'm going to hop off here. There's a link below, or a box below, where you can comment your name and your email address. And so that'll just help me send the video to the right place. And then you will see my mentor, Dave Sharp, and he will explain the opportunity to you. And take the 5-day training, see what happens. Let's just see where we go. And if you need any additional support, please reach out to me. I'd love to be your biggest cheerleader on the way. And if there's anything that I can help you with, or any questions you may have, I'm an open book. I fully believe in full authenticity, full transparency, and I'll share my honest feedback. So let's get this started. I'm excited for you, and let's get going.